Hello folk, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Today's cooking idea is this baked potato with some shredded meat, Guasacaca topped with feta cheese. So we're gonna start, of course, washing our potatoes. Even though the peel is eatable, remember they grow under the earth, so we need to wash them properly. This one is a sweet potato. I'm gonna use 4 potatoes and 2 sweet potatoes. You're gonna start adding a little bit of oil, salt, pepper, and I got here some coriander seeds. The ones are coming here. This one, you see some coriander seeds. Just for a little bit of aroma, which is always nice. And we're gonna top it with a little bit of garlic powder, just slightly bit. That's it. And then we're gonna just fold it or wrap it, as you may see. Try to do it in the easy way that you can reopen it, like when they are already baked, to stuff them. Just like you may see, and just on the top. Now we're gonna repeat the procedure, same ingredients with all of our this time I'm gonna use a potato, but we got 6 pieces, so 4 potatoes, 2 sweet potatoes. Just quite easy. Just repeat. I'm gonna just spit it out. This is very easy because you can just top it with anything you like. This dish is just fantastic, for it's very flexible, like should be mostly things in the kitchen. So we finished them up. Look, I got 4 potatoes, 2 sweet potatoes. We're gonna bake them 1 hour at 200 degrees. Look, just like that. And now magically they are just ready baked. Look, I'm gonna just prepare 2 of them. Down in the description, I will leave you the recipe for the green sauce I'm using. This is a Venezuelan Guasacaca avocado sauce. Of course, the shredded meat, of course, I will leave you the recipe. These are both in the channel already. And the rest is just a little bit of butter, corn, and just red bell pepper, just cut into small cubes. Just that is and just of course some feta cheese I got from the store. You can of course use another cheese, the one you like or so. So we're gonna start just cutting them into kind of 4. Just go no too deep. You don't want to cut the peel down there. Just like you see. They are cooked. Just make kind of and then easily remove the peel on the side, like you can easily. You see, it's hot, but it's just doable. It's not a big deal. Same with the potato. And then we are gonna do some cuts in the middle of our potatoes and sweet potatoes, like you see in the video. And now we are just gonna add some butter, and you can mash it a lot or just leave it like that. They are just very, very, very soft because they were cooking 1 hour on the oven, and then I let it like 20 minutes rest with the heat of the oven, which is already had. And just like this is just, look, butter. Just like that. And that's what's come. Just top it. I'm gonna add this green Guasacaca. This is a Venezuelan green sauce, perfect for grilling, for topping your tacos, or topping arepas or empanadas, or just dipping. It's just a nice one. Just I'm gonna add 1 spoon now, you see. And this is of course. And now I'm gonna add the other ingredients, like some corn. My daughter loves corns. That's why she also loves the potatoes and baked potatoes, and that's why I always have to do them. So now some shredded meat. This is a Venezuelan style shredded meat for our national dish. It's called carne mechada in Spanish, so it's quite easy. And now just finish it with some green sauce as well. And of course some feta cheese, which is a very, very nice cheese. So I hope you like it. and then you can also do them at home. It's quite easy and a very fancy. Good job, some veggies, some meat, some cheese, so you got everything that's saucy. Yeah, so I hope you like it and enjoy it. Take care, everyone. Cheers.